Adding an option card to your SQ can open up many possibilities for audio networking, including integration into Dante or Waves SoundGrid networks. Both Dante and Waves cards are 64 channels in and 64 channels out and can run either 48 or 96 kHz. Follow the fitting instructions to install the card in your SQ, connect up your network as recommended by the manufacturer of the protocol that you're using, and then you'll need to carry out some patching. There are many patching points, so follow the signal path carefully. We recommend patching things one-to-one wherever possible, as otherwise it can quickly get very confusing. As an example of using a Waves card with a Waves server, connect a computer, the SQ and the server to the SoundGrid network. In the simplest case, just connect the computer and server to the 2 ports on the Waves card. Now patch the insert send from an SQ channel to an I/O port channel. On the computer, use SoundGrid Studio to patch the Waves card to the eMotion input, either in the patch window or directly in the eMotion channel. Then patch the output of the channel back to the Waves card, and finally, from the I/O port back to the insert return of the channel. It is now possible to use plugins in the eMotion mixer, and although there will be latency, by using a Waves server to carry out processing, this is reduced to a usable amount. As an example of using Dante to record with Dante Virtual Sound Card, connect a computer running Dante Virtual Sound Card and Dante controller to the SQ Dante card. On the SQ, patch either direct outputs or tie lines to the Dante card, depending on whether you want to record with or without processing. On the computer, start Virtual Sound Card and then in Dante controller ensure both devices are in the same IP range and running at the same sample rate. In routing, patch the Dante option card to the Virtual Sound Card. A quick way to patch one-to-one here is by holding Control and clicking in the top left corner where the minus sign is in expanded view. Now in your DAW, just record from the Dante Virtual Sound Card inputs. Currently, DVS can run 32 inputs and 32 outputs at 96K or 64 inputs and 64 outputs at 48K. There are hundreds of possible setups, of course, so if you need any further information, just contact us using support.allen-heath.com.